If you walked into my session and you said, I don't like your teachings, and I saying you talk shit, guess how long it would take me to switch you off? 1 second, not two, 1 second. And you're doing the exact same stuff to universe, except you're not insulting me, but you're insulting your own manifestations. You're shooting them down. You're shooting them dead. That's what we're going to be talking about today, people, because I'm done and fed up with all the bitching and moaning I have to observe when you will not be able to get quiet and just stop when I tell you stop talking horribly about yourself, the people you want to manifest, the job you want to manifest, the money you want to manifest. We need to talk about this because this has to stop. I'm very determined that this is stopping. But before we start, I just want to let you know, to those who are aspiring business owners and entrepreneurs and people who have businesses and reached a ceiling of income, that I spent 7 months putting together a 60-day program, and I'll take you from stuck, sometime broken, to mindset and identity of a millionaire. People who can easily manifest and make 6 to 7 figures. This is no bullshit. I will figure it out for you personally, how you can change that, what is stopping you. I'll get rid of your blocks, and I will teach you what identity you have to acquire to be able to be that person. We're just gonna change your business forever. The link is down below. It's called Ask No Forget. You can get on a waiting list. Click that then. But now, so you talk about your partner. You say she always fights. She's always angry. She always does this. She did billion and one beautiful things for you, but you're stuck on she is dramatic. She is da 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 da. Well, don't you understand that when you say that about her, she has to show up like that in your world? While all you want is for her to be peaceful and happy and content. But she cannot, because you assigned her a role of someone who has temper, who fights, who screams. How is that helpful for you that you keep saying these things about her? Not at all. You manifested her that way, by the way, because you believe that people scream at you and shout at you since your childhood. And you're projecting that onto your partner, and she has no other option by laws of physics than reflect that belief back to you. So you want to change something, you start seeing her as someone who's so polite, so sweet, so calm, so wonderful. And she has to be reflecting exactly that. But that means that you have to stop talking shit. You cannot blame others for manifesting them the way they come. You can't do that. That's bullshit. Take responsibility. Take 100% of responsibility for your behavior. Because I'll tell you what, super successful people, every time they manifest shit, ask only one question, and that question is, what have I done to manifest that? It's your doing, not hers. It's your own doing. Change yourself. She has to reflect that. She will change. You will get different results. Same with money. I don't know how I'm gonna pay. I want 10 million, but I don't know how to pay this bill, and I don't know how to pay this bill, and the economy is going really horribly wrong. And is there gonna be a petrol? And is there gonna be gas? And is there gonna be food? And do we have enough water? Yes, there's more water it's called primary water than we could ever spend. There's more petrol than we could ever spend. There's so much of everything. They just keep that quiet from you. They tell you the exact opposite, but there's abundance of everything. And you have already assigned a huge amount of money to your bank account at this very moment, but it would show up only if you stop talking shit, if you stop making money evil, if you stop making money an enemy. You cannot talk shit and get great results. That's never going to happen. Sorry. It's laws of physics. I didn't invent it. They did. You do not talk nasty, negative things because they're success repelling. Talking negative things about anything you want, whether it's hair, eyes, skin, nails, rings, a car, husband, child, your healthcare system, your economy, is success repelling, meaning what you really want, you're pushing away from you and you're getting what you talk about. You know what? Universe always gives you what you talk about. And if you talk shit, it's gonna manifest you more shit. Because universe doesn't expect that anyone would be stupid enough to talk about things they don't want. Universe doesn't understand that concept. Universe believes that whatever you talk about, you must want. So maybe you should stop talking negative shit. I don't know, I would. Do you understand what I'm saying? I know this is an uncomfortable video, but you need to do this. You will start talking nicely about a person you love, and they will show up fantastically in your life. It's on you, not them, you. You're 100% responsible how anyone and anything shows up in your life. No one else is. Because you know what? They're holograms, they don't exist. You're the only live person in this universe. So you need to do your job and manifest them the way you want them to be. But that requires you not talking negatively. I'm fat. Well, good. Well done. Universe heard you, and universe expect that you want to be fat because you talk about it. So you're gonna get fat. Instead, you should say, I'm super thin. No matter what you see in a mirror, I'm super thin. And universe says, she wants to be super thin. Okay, I'll make you super thin. I have lots of money. Okay, she wants to have lots of money. I'll make her very rich. I have fantastically toned, tanned body. Okay, I'll give her fantastically toned and tanned body because that's what she wants. But you cannot say, but I'm fat, or I'm gonna gain weight if I have a donut. Universe hurt you, and it's gonna give you your fat because you had a fucking donut. Do we understand this concept? And I keep hearing you talk shit and all the stories of she said that and she did this. And on January 5th, 1991, at 3:48 in the afternoon, she told me that I'm a nasty person. And I just want to shoot myself because, like, why do you even remember it? I don't remember what my last argument was about because I don't remember anything about arguments. Zero about arguments. I remember zero about what people have done to me because I don't care. I do not care. It's giving me nothing good. I don't give a flying fuck. Why do you? Why do you give meaning to things? Why do you say they've done this and they've done that? You remember all of it, but you're also manifesting it. So can we just like zip it, get quiet, and only start talking things we actually want? Please. I hope you're going to do that because you're going to super accelerate your manifestations. And I'll see you at the next video. And don't forget to click on the link and sign up for the waiting list. I'll see you then.